Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 BMW X3 xDrive28i. This one's gray. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 240 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our X3 badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a power lift gate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, we have a wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, push start ignition. We've got our steering wheel controls, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, hard keys for a media display. This X3 has 38,551 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this X3, check out feldmannimports.com.